If you want to edit a slow motion video on the Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to simply open the gallery, and then over here you want to find your slow motion video that you wish to edit. Once you start playing it, you should be able to simply go to the editor, so you can tap on this pen at the bottom of the screen. There we go. And then you should be able to, of course, start editing your slow motion video. Now, if you're looking for a way to adjust the slow motion effect, then you can tap on this icon that we have right next to the timer. There we go. And then we open the additional timeline. And this timeline is the slow motion, or it determines where the slow motion effect is available. So as you can see, we should be able to extend or shorten the slow motion effect. You can pretty much decide by yourself which part of the video should be in slow motion, and if you want to, you can just make the full video in slow motion. You can also tap on this section in order to adjust the slow motion speed. So for example, you can speed it up a little bit. The slow motion effect might be, for example, adjusted over here by just choosing the speed over here, and that is pretty much it. So once you are done with editing, and of course keep in mind that at the bottom over here we have some additional tools that you can use, just like you have in the case of pretty much every video when you edit a video, I mean. But once you are done, you can either save the slow motion video by using this save button here in the upper right corner, or you can save as a copy, so you keep the original video and you keep this one or save this one separately. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.